Okay, we're heading back. It's part of that estate again. That whole block there's been sold. No doubt that will be subdivided up into blocks. There's a house. There's a car. We're going to explore another section of that bushland in the near future. We expect to be walking down into there, into that valley. It won't be a huge walk, but we'll probably incorporate some of Michelle's walk and the Homestead Peninsula walk into it. Anyway, thankfully that wind kept up for most of it, but you can definitely feel the day warming up. I don't know if it's going to get as hot as they predicted it did yesterday, for most part. Today they're predicting 39. Now I'm just going to roll down this hill in gear, so I don't have to use my brakes as much. Oh, anyway, I better slow down a bit. We're getting a bit too fast, and I'm going to enjoy having a shower when I get back. Right, here we go.